In this video you will see how to change header size in Word document. It's very easy. To change the header size, go to the Insert tab and then you will see here the option of Add a header. Click on the drop down and select Edit Header. This will activate the header area and you will see here the option of Header and Footer tab. Next to the header from top, here you can enter the header size. So for example, at present it is 1.25. So if I type in the header and now I will change the header size, for example let's say 5 centimeter and press enter. As you can see, the header has increased. You can also increase or decrease the header size using the up and down arrows like this. Once done, double click inside the Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to header. See you again in the next one.